Hi, dear friends. Hope you are doing well. This is Wasima Isra, and I'm coming here just quickly to show you the cards that I'm using for summer, spring summer this year. I'm using a lot of cards for you see, for example, this type of reading that I'm doing. I'm using one, two, three, four decks as usual. If you didn't check the videos I have done, it's so good to have a big collection. Please check it because you're gonna understand how I work with the cards. So, as you notice here, I'm using the Big Common Oracle, which is my own oracle. And it has a lot of beings, a lot of gods and goddesses, angels. It has a lot of archetypes, and I'm using it in an energy, like this one is an energy reading, to help us understand what is the energy of the moment, what are the big influences, and there are planets. The planets are included in this deck. So if you work with astrology, it's really amazing. The other deck is Aura Soma. Let me see, here it is. Um, I'm being really reconnecting with this deck, and I forgot how much I love it, how much its high vibe is nourishing for the heart. So and the heart and the soul. So I'm using it extensively for these type of readings, not for the daily readings, of course, but it's really for these kind of readjustment, path alignment, enlightenment, and so on. And yeah, I'm really enjoying using it a lot. Another deck, this one, which is the Crystal Medicine Oracle. And this is shamanic deck also, very, very lovely. And did I tell you about the guidebook? Of course, I think I showed you this deck many times because of the meditation it has, the crystals, and the ceremony that it invites you to do. A very, very good book. I really love this work. And I hope they get another deck because, there are these decks that you feel are filled with soul, filled, nourishing. Another deck that I'm using, which is the Wisdom of Shadow and the Divine Feminine Wisdom. I have this deck in my shop. Some of these decks are available in my shop if you want them. And I am putting them together because I had yesterday this inspiration of mixing them and playing with both of them. So I'm trying to meditate on that because yeah, I feel they are. Let me show you here. It's the same artist, not the same energy, of course, but it's very powerful to use these cards for readings, for healing, and I'm feeling kind of I'm feeling kind of it's gonna be multiplied if I mix these cards in power. So I'm really considering it strongly. Another deck that I got out is the Victorian Fairy because of the flowers. It's the season. Spring is the season where we connect to the flower realm, to the tree realm. We get out of the hibernation or the long sleep of the winter, and the joys of being outside, the joys of being in the presence of different flowers, so and fairies and the spirits and the elements. So this one is definitely in my table for the moment. The same spirit also, I'm using it for these type of readings too, and it's my own deck, the Shamanic Healing with Roses and Flowers. I'm very much connecting to the flower realm. That's why also I'm using this deck, the I think it's called Greenwich Tarot, which is one of my favorites. It has a lot of flowers in it, and the flower realm is very present for me in the healing sessions, in the guidance. I'm feeling the flowers speaking to me. So I'm even looking for more oracle decks with flowers and considering making another one also for myself. So they are my one of my biggest allies in my spiritual work, so I need to give them more presence, and of course the rose the rose is is very present for me at the Temple of Roses, of course, and I continue teaching about it. But there are other flowers that are inviting themselves in here, even in cards that I don't suspect at all. This is the Visionary Visionary Ching cards, looking for the name, and also with its soft colors related to the spring and water. I'm being drawn to use it as if it's helps me to calm my mind sometimes. So and inviting me to contemplate. And yeah, the guidebook is amazing. Didn't get the chance fully to work with the guidebook yet, but it's something definitely to consider. Another deck that I'm really loving is the D'une Rive à l'Autre. It's one of my clients and students, Caroline Verdier. I helped her to make this or made an oracle deck. She's filled with inspiration. So please check her in my website. I'm facilitating the access to her deck through my website also. So check it out. It's an amazing deck, very intuitive. It's in French, but you know what? Every card is kind of a portal. Every card is kind of very emotional for me. So yeah, I love her work. I love her inspirations, and the guidebook also in French is really, really good, very well made. Yeah, so this is definitely present. Another deck, my own, it's out of print, but I got it out again. The Trees, Wisdom of Trees. Our trees are speaking to you. Yeah, trees are speaking to me. So yeah, also I did some profound readings with it, and it helps so much in gaining clarity and solidity and wisdom, as if an elder is speaking to me. And I definitely, this one is on my shelf, on my table. And of course, I don't care. It's this very springy, very summery deck that is has been created by my friend Steph. And yeah, I won't show you the pictures because I did a good video about it, I think, on my channel. If I didn't, just remind me, please. I will do, because this is very good deck. Another one, West of the Moon, by Yana. Also, you can find it on my website. Yeah, this is so beautiful. All her cards are just amazing and poetic. And of course, I won't forget the the Witches. I forgot its name. I think they published it recently on a mass market version. So I'm sorry, I don't remember the name of this one, but it works so wonderfully with the Witches, the Green Witch, and the Magical Forest. These three are kind of really good together. So yeah, here are my cards for summer, spring this year, and I'm really curious about what you have on your shelf or on your table. So wishing you very, very, very nice day. Bye bye.